This is such a mess, and I need to clean, literally.
I can be your third man doll, just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket.
Hi guys. In today's video, we're going to spring clean my room because my desk is a mess, because I have this weird habit of collecting everything on my desk. Because I have online school, but also when I don't have it. But we're not going to talk about that. I'm going to spring clean my room, and yeah, let's just start. So I started off with my desk because it was so messy. Still shocked about that, how I even did that. But I started off with that, and I cleaned some stuff, I threw some stuff away, and that should have been thrown away earlier, and I've organized some stuff, and that's what I did.
No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues, yeah, I want.
And I got a package and literally just left the plastic on the floor. How lazy does a human need to be to not clean that?
From the truth was that I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it.
Many people think that people with OCD like myself have everything clean and organized, but as you see here, a girl that has OCD, this is not clean, and I don't clean and organize all the time.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go.
So I got this idea with my pencil cups. These were my pencil cups in the past. I have a new pencil organizer back there, but I had an idea to use those pencil cups for my bathroom. Yeah.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just like.
So I used that one cup, which I talked about earlier, for my Q-tips, and the other ones I just took for some privacy girl stuff.
Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that I'm just a lonely.
I think the problem was that I just didn't clean anything into the drawers, and that cluttered up a lot, and it's just my laziness that doesn't want to do these things. So I think that was also the problem with my desk. I was too lazy to put it into a drawer and just left it on my desk.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
I did my bed. Yes, this never happens, but I thought, why not do it? And I do this with my pillow to get it fluffy. I don't know if it's for every pillow like that, but do not wonder. what you've all been waiting for, the final result. So much for watching this video. My room is now clean. I'm really happy about it, and I hope I inspired you to clean your room. And if not, I still hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified every time when I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching this video. I love you. Bye!